This is the house next door to the one that's also for sale. Spacious is an understatement with its open concept offering 6 bedrooms and 3 full baths with room for everyone. What used to be Rockford's general store back in the day has been remodeled into a beautiful home. The kitchen is the centerpiece of this home, boasting natural hickory cabinets, 2 islands, and handcrafted edges on the butcher block counters. The owner suite is located on the first floor and features an ensuite bath with a Whirlpool body jet shower and a beautiful large vanity with lots of storage. The living and dining areas have industrial feel with the open concept and open layout. The second bedroom and laundry room complete the main level. On the second floor, you'll find a huge living area with so many possibilities on how it could be used. 4 bedrooms, a full bath, and a second laundry area make up this level. At the top of the stairs, enjoy a second level deck that's perfect spot to enjoy amazing sunsets and relax in the peace and quiet that the property offers. Call Ginger Miller today for all the details.